بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته. Hello everyone and welcome to our video series Teach Arduino at Rabii Hajoui YouTube channel. Today's video is titled Arduino Weather Sensor. We are going to program Arduino to detect the weather cases. If it's going to be sunny, cloudy, or night. I'm going to imitate the sun using my camping lamp, and I'm going to imitate the night using this cap with a black tape, and I'm going to imitate the cloud using my hand. So now I'm going to connect my Arduino here. Okay, so as you can see, here we have the sun. Let's see if it's going to be sunny. So you can see here, you see that the servo motor is pointing to the sunny weather. Okay, the sunny weather here. I'm going to use my hand to imitate the effect of the clouds. Now it's going to be cloudy. As you can see, it's pointing towards the cloud. Okay, sunny and cloudy. Okay, and now let's imitate the effect of night. And now it's going to be night. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our Rabii Hajoui YouTube channel. We need for this project Arduino Uno board, a USB cable, a breadboard, LDR with 10 kilo ohm resistor and jumper wires. We are going to use for the first time an SG90 micro servo motor. Now let's connect our circuit using this schema. The first thing that we are going to do is to connect the 5-volt on our Arduino Uno board to the red line, like this. And we are going to connect the ground G and D on Arduino Uno board to this blue line. Okay, now let's connect our servo motor. So here we have 3 wires on the servo motor. So the first wire is the brown wire. We are going to connect the brown wire, as you can see on the circuit, with the ground, the blue line on the breadboard, and the red wire with 5 volts. So 5 volts is the plus on the breadboard, like this. Now we are going to connect the orange wire from pin number 2 to pin number 13. So you can choose any pin here. I'm going to choose pin number 2. And now we've connected the servo motor. Let's go to connect the LDR. So we're going to put it like this on the breadboard. We're going to connect the first leg here to 5 volts. So 5 volts is the red line. And we are going to connect the other leg with the ground like this, as you can see. And between this leg and the resistor that is connected to the ground, we are going to take or to put this yellow wire in between, and we are going to connect it to analog pin number 3. Now here is our circuit, as you can see. Let's connect our circuit to our laptop using a USB cable. Let's connect it like this way, and we are going to connect it to our laptop. Okay. Now let's code our circuit using Arduino IDE. For the first time, we use the servo motor. That's why we need to include the library in order to use our servo motor. Hashtag include okay, servo dot h library, and we need to declare an element that is part of the servo library. We're going to call it servo. Okay, we're going to call it weather servo or servo weather. Okay, semicolon. After that, we need to declare, we're using our LDR. We need to declare a variable int and light pin equals, as you can see, our LDR is connected to A3. As you can see here, is connected to A3. We are going to connect it to A3 equals A3. Semicolon. Enter. We are going to declare a variable to put the value of the light in it, int lights val. Okay, and also we have our servo motor connected to pin number 2. We need to declare this variable int servo position servo pin equals pin number 2 semicolon and int servo position equals 0 semicolon. As you can see, this servo motor is going to be the minimum of the servo motor is 0 degrees and the maximum is 180 degrees. So we are going to set it at first at 0 degree. So this arrow, as you can see, is going to be pointed like this at 0 degree. And of course we need to declare wait time, int wait time equals half a second. This is 500 milliseconds. We finished to declare our variables. Let's go to the void setup. Now for the void setup, we declared the servo weather. Now servo weather dot attach. As you can see, our servo weather is connected to pin number 2 and our variable pin number 2 is servo pin. Control C, Control V, servo pin. As I told you, we need to put the position of the servo at 0 degrees. Control C, Control V, dot right. This is the servo position connected at 0 degrees or set at 0 degrees. Control C, Control V, and don't forget the semicolon. And we also have the pin mode. Okay, our light pin, Control C, Control V, is an input because we read light from the value of light from our LDR. So this is an input. Don't forget the semicolon. And we need to establish the connection between our Arduino Uno board and our laptop using the serial.begin, okay, and set it at 9600 baud. We finished now with our void setup. Let's jump to the void loop. In our void loop, as you can see, we have the light val. We declared the light val, and in the light val we are going to put the value read from our LDR equals analog read, and it's going to read from the light pin, Control C and Control V semicolon. Now we need to print the value of light in our screen. That's why we are going to use the serial.println. Serial.println, print line, and we are going, of course, to print the light value. Okay, semicolon, and we need the wait time delay delay, wait time. Okay, now let's verify our code. Let's hold our breath and see if it's going to be everything all right. Now let's save our project. So we're going to call it weather, the weather, in our desktop, and save. Now let's hold our breath. As you can see, it's compiling here. I hope that everything is going to be all right. Everyone hold his breath. And okay, you see, done compiling. Everything is okay. Now we need to connect our Arduino Uno board to our laptop. So let's upload our code. Now our code is uploading, and you see, so the first thing, our servo motor is pointing to 0 degrees, as you can see here, as we said from this line, servo weather dot right, servo position, and the servo position equals 0 degrees. So now our servo motor is pointing towards 0. Now let's take these photos. As you can see, here is the night. We're going to put it here in this side, okay, and cloudy weather, we're going to put it here in the middle, and of course the sunny weather, we're going to put it on this side like this. Now let's read the value of light from our serial monitor. Okay, as you can see here, the value of light is 792. My camping lamp, okay, I'm going to turn it on, and now I'm going to light. Here, as you can see, when I lighted the LDR, the value is 999. Okay, 1000. So the maximum value is 1000. I'm going to use this cup illustrating the night and see the minimum value. So the minimum value, as you can see, reading from the serial monitor, is 463. So the minimum is 463 and the maximum is 1000. Now let's continue with our code. What we need to do, we need to set the servo position, Control C, Control V. We said the servo position is going to be ranged between 0 degrees and 180 degrees. 0 degrees to 180 degrees. That's why we are going to use for the first time the map function. So map, open the brace. We are going to take the light val, the value of light. The minimum of the value we said is 460, and the maximum is 1000. So we are going to set 460 to 0 degrees, and 1000 is the maximum. It means 180 degrees. Semicolon. And after this, we are going to put this line, Control C, Control V, servo weather dot right servo position. Now let's upload our code to Arduino Uno board. Okay. You see now, let's open the serial monitor. The value is 780. It means cloudy now. It's cloudy, as you can see. Now, let's take illustrating the sun here. Okay, you see now, the value is 1000. It means now it's sunny. Okay, I'm going to use my hand illustrating the clouds. Okay, as you can see, it's cloudy, sunny, cloudy, sunny, cloudy. As you can see here. Now, I'm going to use the cap to illustrate the night, and it's night, 0 degrees. Night, cloudy, and sunny. Thank you for your attention.
Please, if you like this video, subscribe, like, and share Rabii Hajoui YouTube channel.